festival of colors is all here. Wishing you a very happy Holi. Brighten up the colors this Holi with this delicious colourful Shrikhand that will add taste to your celebration. To begin with, take a strained curd in a bowl. Then add 1 tablespoon of sugar and stir till it turns creamy. Then divide it into 3 parts. Take a small portion of Shrikhand and add rose syrup. For second flavor, use kesar. And for green color, I used green food color. Place all 3 colors in a plate and then swirl. And decorate it with strawberries and enjoy. Like, share and subscribe for more yummy recipes.